Alright, should be live. This is my first time trying this. This is Onosaurus, going to give a first-person replay commentary, or I guess live commentary of me playing Dehaka. Ooh! This mission can be sometimes challenging, so this will be an interesting choice for me to go only Dehaka plus his top art abilities. Honestly, should be no problem, but I'll show you what I do. So immediately I get Dehaka ready to run out. That way I don't have to click him to run when I'm setting his abilities. I also have no idea if I can commentate while playing this game. We'll see how well my focus stays. But basically, early game is about leveling Dehaka up, getting a Primal Warden out, and getting Glevig up, which means getting gas up. Warden's 200. I'm going to go for the gas first. I honestly forget what I normally do. Now, everything sort of finishes at the same time. Dehaka, leap, eat, go back, and build one of these things, and get drones. Okay, now where am I? Okay. So I should have jumped on the Zerglings, but I panicked, because I'm recording and all that stuff. But if you leap on the Zerglings, it one-shots them, so it's kind of useful. I'm gonna get health regen so I can try and fight this thing. Keep in mind your leap does hit buildings. I should have put guys in gas about 20 minutes ago. And that's about it. Early game. Dehaka gets nothing from killing buildings, so I don't want to waste my time on that. Might as well get another, or actually, let me start building another Warden so that I can expand into it. I'm going to try and leap the Zerglings and run away, let them surround me first so they're grouped up, one-shot them, and back up. His mine should take care of them no problem. Excellent. And yeah, so far so good. This is done, so I should already have Glevig going up. My gas is a little delayed though. There we go. Gonna get my other gas ready. I can keep going out, but I think I kind of want to get the expansions ready. Unless I see him doing it, which he is. So, oh, poor SCV. No. Poor guy. So yeah, what would be slightly more optimal would be me going out to level up Dehaka a little more. Let me hotkey these guys. In case I want to build... what the hell? Wait, no. Can I cancel this? Yeah, I said I'd do no units, so never mind.
They may not be flash, but they are fierce.
Okay. So, the thing about focusing on Dehaka is I really don't have to do all that much macro. I really don't. Gonna put the second hive here anyway, but basically the reason why I'm getting 2 hives is so I can get +1 upgrades on attack and defense at the same time. That's pretty much the only reason.
Make your preparations.
Zerglings, group them up, 1 leap, dead. That's it. Now there's a lot of swarmy units, so I think intimidating Roar might be good. Keep in mind leap. If you max leap, Dehaka gets 1 armor for 2 seconds for every enemy hit. So that really helps his survivability if you can max out leap. So that's never a bad idea. I don't think I need any more economy at all. But I mass drones, that way if I die, I immediately get, I can immediately revive him.
Oh, it's like a bomb just without my heart.
So let's see how I do. This looks pretty suicidal, but I'm going to try it anyway. I leaped on the Zergling, so I had a path out. I also cast my W, so that there was the damage debuff. Yeah, I took a lot of damage, but I was ready for it, so I didn't die. Same thing here, I'm ready for it, so I won't die. There we go. Slow them, leap, free. Awesome. So I'd love to level up Leap. I mean, Eat. Yeah, Eat and Leap are both two really good choices. Get those missiles to fly, take out the building. Kite the Zerglings a little, because they can be annoying. Hold them right here in front of the missiles. You know, everything has a purpose. What else? I got this guy almost done. I got lots of drones. Getting my upgrades. I can't do much against this, but whatever. Hopefully he'll help. I'd rather get this essence. My DPS is like negligible on that stuff. I'm gonna get armor. Armor is just what I recommend if you're not totally confident, and I'm not totally confident right now. Not feeling fully awake, just like that. He just lives so much better with the armor. It makes a tremendous difference. Especially against Zerglings. I have 4 armor, they deal, what, 5 or 6 damage? I basically take 1 to 2 damage per unupgraded Zergling. It's pretty free. Let's see. These guys deal 6. Yeah, look. They just tickle. Fire is great, and I usually get it really late. Because I usually don't need it. If I have good lead and good top bars. I don't know. This is all pretty free. At this point, if you make it this far, like you're in fantastic shape. Even though I say that as I'm about to die, you're in good shape. I eat a little Zergling, so I can eat again 2 seconds later. All these guys are biological, they heal for a lot. This is pretty free. Thank you for saving me from whatever I didn't even notice. Going to get essence, rock and roll. In this map, staying ahead is pretty important. So is actually building your dudes. Usually as backup, I'll get ready with my Muta, like I'll queue up the Muta upgrades, but like, really don't have to. As you notice, I'm not even looking at Dehaka fighting. It's just, I don't know. I'm just so not worried. Where's Dehaka? There he is. So not worried. I don't have attack air yet, so eating air is crucial. If you're up against a lot of hybrid casters, maxing Intimidating Roar means they can't cast. Enemies hit by Intimidating Roars can't cast spells, like AoE or the thing that one-shots you. So depending on who you're up against, you know, you can make a couple interesting decisions. I'm a little scared for him, so I'm dropping this just in case. It might be complete overkill, but Levig can be deep tunneled back to escort the transport if I need to. I pinged him. That was silly.
A data core is in danger. Action advised.
Oh no, a data core is in danger. Not really. Okay, we can put Glevig back here. Yep. Just in time, hopefully. And the last data core. And on my way to 3-3. And I'm making lots of mistakes. And it's still okay. Yeah. I could have gotten those minerals, but, you know, solo Dehaka. Oh my god, so much to do, so many levels to get. I'm maxing Roar. Level 3 Roar with armor, and I mean, I just can't be touched. I mean, Eat's great, don't get me wrong, but I'm invincible now, so it's kind of nice being invincible. Especially if you're less comfortable. I haven't played Dehaka in like a week or something, maybe longer. Oh, I didn't. Oh, I thought I had deep tunnel up. Oh, there we go. Damn, he's having trouble with the tower. I guess I might have enough DPS to start helping with the tower. But I usually leave that to, if I'm playing just Dehaka. It's his spells that deal so much damage, so I usually leave that to the ally. That's it. That's it. If I want to pop out a million mutas, I'm safe. I can just do something like this. So that's my backup plan. In case this strategy fails, and I actually need to not use just Dehaka. You can do that. But we'll be fine. I can use Dakron. Keep in mind, Dakron only attacks ground, to my knowledge. Like, Scorched Breath. Like, it's really good, but I don't worry about it that much. I don't know why. I really don't. But full clear is fun. Let me just get minor support there. Now, none of these casters can cast. None of these hybrid. I guess just fungal growth can cast. Keep leaping when I can. It increases my armor tremendously. I should really probably be getting R. I guess I'm kind of showing that you don't need to. At this point, Dehaka's attacks deal stupidly large amounts of damage. Dehaka's attacks deal 140 damage. So that's pretty dope. Now I can actually really, help with buildings and such. Yeah, I mean, that's basically it. Jump in, disable everything, eat. Oh, I didn't talk about eating casters. Yeah, eating casters equals free win. When you eat a caster psionic ability, not only are your cooldowns reduced, so you can use your awesome abilities faster, but there's a giant AoE explosion that one-shots almost every unit. Kind of OP. Kind of OP. Let me find the pack. I'm just gonna dive deep until I find one. Here, psionic, but yeah, here. So see this infestor? Eat. Done. And that's how you deal with packs. And look, Eat's already up again, because my cooldowns are so short and he didn't have a lot of health. Dehaka is really, really easy. Here, have a Murvar, just because. Murvar can just hang out there. Oh, I'm an idiot.
Enemy suppression tower activated.
So that's what we call overkill, me going all the way back to base. But it was fun. Okay. That's basically it. I love research. Research is good. It's important to research things. Don't you agree? Yes, all the research.
I will have to ask for more of it.
And drones are good. All the drones. Yeah. Real game is hard. Now, it helps. I should say, I have a good ally here. This strategy might not necessarily work if you don't have a great ally. But if your ally is half decent, then you should be fine.
Enemy suppression tower activated.
Now I can deal some big hits on this thing.
Metamorphosis. Evolution.
I debuffed all the guys being summoned in. And I'm max level. Yay, I have fire breath. Joy.
If you can believe it.
Essence still increases your maximum health when you're at, and watch, I'm at 2063 health. Leap into the thick, debuff, looking for a psionic guy. No psionic guys, I might die. That's okay, I'll leap for more armor. Oh my god! Well, that's called failing. I hit E about 10 times. Might be overkill. Doesn't matter, I made way more drones than I need. And I'm back in the action. Just as I planned, to demonstrate what happens if you die. Yes, totally on purpose, I swear. So, but now if I were to die again, Deep Tunnel would be on cooldown. So you can revive him rapidly, but if you die twice in succession, then you're kind of in trouble. Now if I weren't dicking around, I could have used any of my summons and would have been fine. He's a big guy.
I will depart soon.
Look at me, 11 armor. How much damage does a roach deal? 22. Roaches deal half damage to me. Hydras deal almost 0. It's pretty free.
Proceeding.
Okay. So I'm going to summon Dacron on hold ground, just so he gives access to that building.
Try to reach them before
While I do this. Kind of silly, but... Whoop! I am losing control. I'm probably gonna die.
Fire is free from harm.
Ally to the rescue. Okay.
You have protected another of my brethren. Restoring original security protocol.
That's about it. Oh! Shoot.
Fortunately, all of the personalities from the data cores were preserved. I require aid.
Okay. Glevig is my favorite dude. Let's have him clear out that which owned me previously. Leap. Oh, now my leap is so strong it actually kills the psionic dude, so that kind of sucks, but whatever. I'm gonna eat some medium health guys, so it comes off cooldown kind of soon. Jump on things, so he's tanky. Oh, there we go. Oh, I would have loved to eat those guys. Leaping out to save my life. I mean to die. F3, E. Don't forget to replenish your drones either. Hey look, Dehaka's back. So yeah, making a lot of mistakes, and it's still free. Just gonna kill stuff for fun. I have good ally. I assume he's got that no problem. And when deep tunnel's up, I'll start doing useful things. Awesome. I'm gonna deep tunnel here to pick up the essence, and then I'll go over there. I mean, I'll go over here, it seems. Interesting, it said the hive cluster is under attack. Did not know it would say that. Holy cow, he one-shot that with Space Station. I didn't know you could do that. Wow. And we win in 30 seconds. Ain't that hot?
Begin the attack.
He's using his cooldowns. Yeah. Just cleaning up some stuff. Finish them! And that is Dehaka. There's still plenty of mistakes, but it was, I think, more than enough to show the power of Dehaka, especially when partnered with a good ally. So notice I paid almost no attention to macro, and yeah, it was okay, because if you focus on Brain, dead, Dehaka good, the end.